Situation 1. You want something. You say, I want water. This is correct, but it sounds direct, like a command. A real conversation sounds like this: I'd like some water. Or, can I have some water? Softer, more polite. Say it again. I'd like some water. I'd like some water. Situation 2. You talk about time. You say, I have 20 years. This is wrong. In English, we don't say that. We say, I am 20 years old. Simple change. Big difference. Say it again. I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Situation 3. You talk about feelings. You say, I am very boring. No, that means you are a boring person. You want to say, I am very bored. One word changes everything. Say it again. I am very bored. I am very bored. Situation 4. You make a plan. You say, I go to travel tomorrow. Almost correct, but not natural. People say, I am going to travel tomorrow. Or simply, I'm traveling tomorrow. More natural. Say it again. I'm traveling tomorrow. Traveling tomorrow. Situation 5. You talk about food. You say, I did a cake. This is wrong. In English, we say, I made a cake. Not did, but made. Say it again. I made a cake. I made a cake. Situation 6. You finish a conversation. You say, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. It's okay, but not very natural. People say, see you tomorrow, or see you. Simple, natural. Say it again. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Final. Small mistakes, but big difference. Now you sound more natural.